Good morning and welcome to all my dears. Today we are going to deal with homeopathic management for ulcerative colitis. As you know, by adopting homeopathic treatment, it will help to prevent the attack of either acute or chronic issue of ulcerative colitis. By homeopathic medicine, we can balance the immunological sensitivity, or we can make our patient to an immunocompetent one. More than that, by homeopathic medicine, we can improve the health of our patient. It will reduce the symptom of our patient. More than that, it will help to reduce the immunosuppressive treatment, and homeopathy consider the ulcerative colitis patient not only as a diseased one, we treat our patient in a holistic concept, so that more than that of a diagnosis of ulcerative colitis, we have to consider so many things. Let us see there are so many homeopathic medicines, but let me try to explain well recognized, well oriented, result gaining homeopathic medicines for ulcerative colitis. Among them, our arsenic alb, Merc-Sol, Merc-Core, Azanaticum, Aloes, Naxomica, Phosphorus, Lycopodium, etc. plays great important role in management and treatment of ulcerative colitis. Let us have a look over the red line symptom of arsenic alb prior to the indications of ulcerative colitis. Being a constitutional one, arsenic alb will affect each and every cell in our body, or every organ in our body, or every tissue in our body. One of the most predominant or general symptom of our arsenic alb is, whatever may be the disease condition, our ARS patient is mentally very restless, tosses about in agony, and he wants to move, but physically he is very exhausted. And another characteristic symptom of ARS patient is, he thinks that it is useless to take medicine, or his disease is incurable. That means he is having a great fear of death. That is why our ARS patient will be usually in a status of, or a mixture of, depression and irritation. The fear of death, or feeling, or the thought of incurability of his disease are because of a condition of severe depression. One of the most characteristic symptom of arsenic alb is, most of the symptoms of ARS alb are aggravates mostly after midnight. Even in gastric ulcer, in ulcerative cases, the pain or tenderness or want of defecation awakes the patient from sleep, usually after midnight. So, aggravation of symptoms usually occur after midnight, and most of the symptoms are aggravation after getting cold or in cold damp weather or cold food or cold drinks. And usually most of the symptoms are getting better by hot or hot application or hot food except the head symptoms. Another red line symptoms of our RSALB patient is, number one is burning. As you know, RSALB is one of the trio burning remedy. Other two are phosphorus and sulfur. Next one is, our patient is very thirsty. Number three, great prostration. Most of the secretions and discharges of arsenic alb are very putrid. That means putridity. And whatever may be the condition, you can see a great periodicity. Periodicity is very well marked in arsenic alb patient. Next red line symptom is acridity, or all the discharges are very accurate. As mentioned earlier, our patient of RSALB is very irritable or irritability. The irritability not only in mental sphere, in physical sphere also there is a great irritability. And our patient is very sensitiveness, acuteness or sensitiveness is there, and there is a great bleeding, ulceration, then dryness, lastly the suddenness. These are the most common, most characteristic red line symptom of arsenic alb. RSALB, red line symptoms. Those symptoms which are very prominent, very predominant, whatever may be the condition of our patient, you can see there is burning is there, great thirstness is there, then great prostration, then putridity of all discharges, then periodicity is well marked in arsenic alb, then acrid discharges are, then irritability, then sensitiveness, bleeding, ulceration, dryness and suddenness. These are the typical red line symptom of our arsenic alb. The details of indication of RSALB can be studied in next class. Thank you.